Namaste, beautiful souls. Welcome to Lighthouse Tarot 369 and welcome to Daily Wisdom. So, today again we have two piles. You have to select the pile which is attracting you more, and then we will go into the reading, right? So, you can select your pile. This is pile number 1, and this is pile number 2. Take a deep breath and decide which one is attracting you more, and decide your pile. Meanwhile, I'll prepare for your reading. Alright, so all those people who have selected this card, this is the reading for them. Pile number 1, enhance your physical health. So pile number 1, the number one thing that you need to do is to look after your physical health first. Let us see what message do we have for you at the back of the card. And it says, think about how you view yourself as a physical being. Do you perceive yourself as weak or strong? Do you tend to make excuses for why you are not proactive in your healing when you see what can and should be done? Your goal for today is to initiate one positive action in your life to enhance your physical health. So pile number 1, you need to be very proactive now. Today's goal for you is to decide one action. That one action can be, you can decide to go on a walk, you can decide to go and join some gym, you can decide to have healthy diet, you can decide to go for some exercise. Choice is yours. You can decide the way you will be taking good care of yourself, but you need to actually take care of your physical body. And this is what your goal for today is, and then this goal should continue for the coming days as well, right? The reason why you have been neglecting your health is over here. If you look at this, this is 10 of wands, which is saying that you are so much overburdened and you are so much into this completing all the tasks that you are having on hand, that you have forgotten to take care of yourself. Time has come now when you need to delegate your work to others, where you need to learn to say no to others, and at the same time you need to trust people, right? It is because you believe that only you can do certain things, you are not delegating the work. But now it is the high time. Stop doing that, because you are harming yourself and you are harming your physical health by doing so. So in all, the day is going to be good for you. The only thing is that you need to take good care of yourself, and for that you have to give away certain duties to other people which you have been doing till now, so you cannot come up with this excuse that I don't have time, so I am not taking good care of myself. Stop doing that. You have to make time for yourself, right? So this is all from me, pile number 1. We'll meet again tomorrow. Till that time, bye bye, and take good care of yourselves, and remember, what goes around comes around. Thank you so much, and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Alright, so welcome pile number 2. Everybody who has selected this card, this is the reading for them. Expect a miracle. Wonderful, wonderful card, pile number 2 for you. Let us see what is the message at the back of this. And it says, expect a miracle. Something will come into your life that will serve your healing, so be open to it and express gratitude when it comes. Your goal for today is to know that the world becomes a vessel for the divine when you see the divine in all things. Wonderful card. Wonderful, I'm saying, because when I connect the energy of this card along with this card, it is making everything very clear. Number 1, pile number 2, this is going to be a very good day for you, and you can expect some miracle to happen. And then the card is saying that when you receive some miracle, in order to receive something, you have to be open to receive it, right? Number 1, you have to be open. Second thing is, when you receive that, you have to express your gratitude. And above all, today's goal is, like, you have to see the divine in everyone. Why is it so? Because over here, if you look at this card, 5 of wands, so you are going to be surrounded by a lot of dog fight, lot of politics, a lot of ego fight, you can say. This is what the day is going to be, and in that situation you have to maintain this balance, wherein you have to see the good in everything, right? And once you see good in everything, good will happen to you. So this is what you really need to understand over here, pile number 2. Yes, a lot of conflict is seen. It can be, for some of you, it can be at workplace that the conflict is going on. For some of you, it is at your home front that the conflict is going on. But you have to keep away from everything. This is what the advice is for you that you please keep away from all those things, keep away from all dogfight, ego, politics, everything, and try to see good in everything, right? When you see good in others, actually, you start vibrating positivity, and that positivity attracts more positivity, and this is how miracles happen. So pile number 2, this is a good day for you. The only thing is that please keep away from all the negativity, dogfight, politics, and everything, and focus on positivity and good in people and things around you, and definitely some miracle is going to take place. So this is all, pile number 2. We'll meet again. Till that time, bye bye, and take good care of yourselves, and remember, what goes around comes around. Thank you so much.